selections. If your buddy asks, you better give him directions to the contract. As a matter of fact,
hello guys, how are you doing today? Thank you for coming back into the channel. And on today's video, I got you some amazing news. And actually, I think that this is the most awaited news of all the Shiryo project throughout the year. And I mean, we were all wondering when they're gonna announce when the phase 2 starts. And I mean, because we're already really close to buy. What is going on? What is the development team doing? And they finally dropped us at least something that we can actually work with, something that they actually provide us a little bit of information. And I'm really excited of what they just mentioned. And I have it right here, because this was a conversation that was taking place on Discord, and I want to pull it right here on the screen. So yeah, I know, it is paint. I'm not this big graphic designer, so don't judge me. So Hoggle, which I presume that he is a developer from Shiryo, he was just mentioning on the Discord channel that here, as you can see on the screen, providing the final artwork is signed off tomorrow, we can have a concrete date set up. And I mean, what does that mean? A date for what? What they are doing? And this is the Fishy Fish and Tears, which are mods on Discord as well. Big news! Thank you for the update, Hoggle. Brilliant news indeed. I mean, this will be with phase 2, which as Hoggle says, we will hopefully have a concrete date soon. So they might announce a date for phase 2 finally. Maybe tomorrow, maybe the day after tomorrow. I don't know. But because this is actually really brilliant. They already finished all the artwork for all the cars. And I'm really super excited because they finally announced this. And we can actually see all the investors FOMOing into the project. So please, this is not financial advice, but if they announce this tomorrow or the day after tomorrow, you will miss out the amazing opportunity to buy Shiryo right now. We are on a sale if you actually have seen the charts. So, and how Shiryo is gonna react with the news. This is something really important that I want to talk about, because the market, we have to see what is going on in the market, obviously. And yeah, Shiryo will have a very nice run-up, but how high it can actually go, and that's what we want to see. So this is obviously just the obvious speculation. Please don't follow to the foot of the word. So please bear with me. So let's take a look to Bitcoin and what it's doing. So if we can actually look here at Bitcoin at the 4-hour chart, we can see that we actually were on a downtrend, and if we draw this trend line that is right here. Let's see, let's take it from the top and try to do something like this. It seems that Bitcoin is trying to break out to the upper side, and this is something really amazing. And if Bitcoin is finally to break up, and I mean, this is not the only indicator. We have as well the RSI that is right here, that is trying to break up as well. Let me delete this line that is right here. I'm gonna do this and try to draw a trend line. It seems that we're trying to finally break out on the 4-hour RSI as well. But that is not the only thing that we have to take on consideration, because if we take a look to the weekly chart, which is the most important, we talk on the past that we had to basically go above the 50-week EMA. That didn't happen, and the bull market support band. We tried, we got the pullback that we were talking about if we weren't able to break those marks, and we are right here on the 39, almost 40,000 level. We actually kind of bounce here on the 30,000 level that we actually talked about several times on this channel. I cannot struggle enough that you have to see the macro perspective for this. So this is what Bitcoin is doing, and if it's able to recover, we are going to see an amazing run with Shiryo as well. So, and what is Shiryo doing right now? So let's take a look to the Shiryo chart. Let me actually try to make this a little bit more readable. I want to actually make this bigger, that is right here, and we can see that we actually fell the downtrend together with Bitcoin. If we actually take a look to the daily chart that is right here, we can see that Bitcoin went down, and obviously Shiryo went down as well. But we can see that we're actually trying to go to the upper side on a smaller time frame. If I actually try to draw a trend line right here, I can see that we're trying to break it up. I mean, this is something that I want to be amazing if we are finally able to do so. And I mean, this is the correct line that we have to see. And I mean, we have two strong resistance at the moment. Right now, we're on this bottom channel that is on the 1300s and the 2200s. We brought there the support, and now it is a resistance. And if we are able to break it, we have two other resistance that we have to see. The 3000 level and the 4500, which are a really big resistance. I really hope that we can keep the momentum and break through those levels. And that is obviously depending of what they announce with the phase 2 and how the market is going to behave. So please take that in mind. Please think about it. It is not financial advice, but I'm going to tell you, please buy Shiryo right now because I don't want you to miss out. And worst case scenario, you just DCA. I mean, DCA works, but you will regret to not buy at these levels if Shiryo actually takes off after the announcement. So that is what I wanted to tell you. I hope that you take my advice. Obviously, not financial advice. Keep yourself informed and see you until the next time.
On a Shiryu rocket, we pocket reflections, mint avatars to add to our collections.